Run tune!
Dogs, I'm ready.
Party gang!
I'm living a king life.
Living a king life right now!
You know it. Nobody touch, nobody.
Big up, nobody touch.
On top of the iTunes, man, trending.
What's good YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Boss on the back in full. If I put another video for you guys. Right now we have Rebel Sixx song called King Life official music video. You see me I say, let's see what's popping. This is not the animation like lit, so you don't know so Rebel Sixx actually did another video. Make us see what I go on. Like up the video, comment on the video to see your comment in this video that I post. Oh wait, thank y'all for backside. Thank y'all for Bumbuckle Bell, the Bumbuckle. 40,000 subscribers. Yeah, dog! Yeah, dog! Since I started making videos in the house, I've been extra chill. But yeah, I'm gonna chill again. Right now, they're saying, yo, you know what? Run tune! Run tune!
Dogs, I'm ready.
Party gang!
I'm living a king life.
Living a king life right now!
You know it. Nobody touch, nobody.
Big up, nobody touch.
On top of the iTunes, man, trending. And the cars all out, pretty blonde inside. Thank God.
Check on the iTunes, check on the Instagram, check everywhere. Man, trending, man, is 40,000 subscribers. So ramp for the thing. Go on.
Money, man, spending. I'm living okay. Haters can free me. The way me views fly so fast, coming speedy. Every station locked down like Carter sing free me. Some man
Like
take
Carter
yours.
do a pull up.
Nobody touch, nobody. On top of the iTunes, man, trending. And the cars all out, pretty blonde inside. Thank God for the money, man, spending.
Yo, right now, we not party right now. We not party right now. I'm saying, go on for the party right now. Pull up a tune! Pull up a tune! The dogs
I'm ready. I'm living a king life.
You know it. Party with them. Live the life.
On top of the iTunes, man, trending. And the cars all out, pretty blonde inside. Thank God for the money, man, spending. I'm living okay. Haters can't free me. The way me views fly so fast, coming speedy. Every station locked down like Carter sing free me. Some man take yours for do this and see. Yeah, me living a king life. Big fat bed, call it king size.
Big fat bed, call it king size. Cut off my camera, Tyrik. King size. I know king size. Party with it.
Make nice. The energy so high when time is set. Bang with a big fat split for reminisce when I hard times. My granny said go and shine with the star you are. So when me get the Grammy, me not gonna fall.
When that time. You hear that? Hey, when the feature episode I get a Grammy. When you think you might get a Grammy, me want to get one. Go on!
Say why hear facts, me go give them facts. One go lock the ground with the damn for top spot. Now we reach it up, them have to keep up. Inna me king shit, Versace sneaker. Yo, West tell you listen every speaker. Girl, I call me down, me don't even need her.
What?
Go ask the angels above.
Yeah, you got the heaven, yo. Oh, pick up the editor there. They want to pull up that part, they go ask angels above.
Me don't even need her. Go ask the angels above. Yeah, you got the heaven, pussy back. Big fat bed, call it king size. Tiny triplets, I ride man and I make nice. The energy so high when time is set. Bang with a big fat split for reminisce when I hard times. My granny said go and shine with the star we
One shine.
So when me get the Grammy, me not go left far.
When that time.
Now it's back to the corporate. Me done cram the earth and for cram the orbit. On a 5 minutes fame, some man rain so short.
Pull on pause in here, bro. The dog say him done. Why the song are done so fast? Why the song are done so fast? Why the song are done so fast?
Type gets the wild, cool, calm and collected. Me search for the formula like detective. Know me master my craft, every word selected. Impact the place, bumbo clad. Last king is erected. Yeah, me living a king life. Big fat bed, call it king size. Tiny triplets, I ride man and I make nice. The energy so high when time is set. Bang with a big fat split for reminisce when I hard times. My granny said go and shine with the star we are. So when me get the Grammy, me not go left far.
Yeah, dog. Man, it done. But Vex say it done. But guess what? Guess what? Feel like I give you our next song, you know. As soon as I my song, you know. As soon as I my song, you know. R.I.P. the boss, you know. Watch us spell ya. Watch that style. I was still in a party. Me see that song I sing. Me sing when I spam that song, yeah. Right, June?
Yo, Blackie walk one. Slow, never hear rumor scale. Sixx, what then? So why you spread the rumor still? Son, yeah, Sixx outside. Watch it. Boom, head that glide. I swear to my life. From morning, rise to night, me got a evil mind. That me swear to my life. That me swear to my life. So me extend the clip, then me extend me hair for the likes.
Extend them bumbo clock, yes. Go on, party cake, go on now. Go on now.
Swear to my life, if a pussy left and foot, head a left off like when time and nerd. But swear to my life, the remix and the brain eye. Even Einstein carry G I to 6 them lock bomb thumb. Every eye smelt when the matic stack function. Jam up on the plaza, put them head full of gunman. Walk
so show them to that song yet. When a big man is full of that song yet to the dog. We don't know why extend the clip. That song was leak. I don't remember why I didn't react to it. It was a leak song. You see me? I said I never really react to that song yet. But go on.
Two of them done pan. All them this me. Them would have been mystery. Every link disconnect like say flow this me. Me fling money in the tech like a frisbee. Everybody get low like them left by whiskey. Call man shot the boy. Send him a raw sky. Mr. Griffith. Can't find beside eye. It's the power man thing. No the princess hype. The Sixx of the code. Like a boy. How much man for
alright then. Boss. This been about Tyrekevlogs aka The Reaction. Boss. Run tune. Big up on yourself. Tomorrow, Trinidad killer. Okay, Jordan. Instruction. Arch back. That I forward tomorrow. You see me? I say I think the video drop today. I'm not watch it yet. I'm not watch it. I'm not gonna watch it until I'm doing the reaction because we saw the teasers on Instagram and trust me, those big booty females was outside representing, and I'm gonna be outside representing too. And who? Like up the video, people. Thank you for 40k again. Oh, I'm gonna get an American to do that reaction with me too. Watch that style, yeah. Peace.